Hello, my name's Daniel here at Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota CHR XL. It comes finished in this very nice shade of silver and features the 1.8 petrol hybrid engine paired with the CVT automatic gearbox for a smooth and efficient driving experience. This is a super chic hybrid vehicle. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Taking a look in the boot, you'll find 377 litres of space. This is plenty of space for your day-to-day life. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior, featuring ice fix points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel to the left there's controls to adjust the infotainment system, to the right there's controls for your display in the instrument cluster. On this display you've got access to a range of different driving data like your digital speedometer and average fuel consumption. There's even access to your navigation, audio, and there's also your vehicle settings. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth connectivity. There's built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. And you can also access the Toyota Online menu. You've got your car menu where you've got access to your average fuel consumption and miles to the gallon, as well as your energy monitor, and there's a selection of system settings. This Toyota has a rear camera, making parking much easier. Below your touchscreen you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. It includes heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You've got your USB and auxiliary input there. In the center console there's two cup holders along with your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this used Toyota CHR XL. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.